you use Conexus, regardless of using a collection or a list of links, we'll need to tell them where you installed Steam CMD, as well as where the Darkest Dungeons mod folder can be found. Lastly, provide your Steam credentials. If you're using a collection, there's a text field at the top of Conexus where you can put that. However, if you would like to use a list of links, make sure that text field is empty, and Conexus will load the links text file located in documents/Conexus/links. No matter which method you're using, Conexus will initialize Steam CMD and begin downloading the mods provided in the collection or text file. After downloads are complete, Steam CMD will close. You'll start moving each mod to the Darkest Dungeons/mods folder and renaming each to ensure they match your desired order. Depending on the size of your list, this could take a while, so please be patient. Conexus will provide various messages in the log window as he works through your list, so you should always know what he's working on and when, as well as if anything goes wrong. Starting with version 1.4.0, Conexus is now able to handle more problems than you previously could. To account for mods that may have been hidden since putting your list together, there is now a check that will see if 3/4 of your list has been downloaded. If more than a quarter of your mod list could not be downloaded, Conexus will stop and let you know what happened. While processing your list, if something does go wrong, he'll try downloading your mods again. Failing that, there's a fair bit of debug and diagnostic information that will hopefully help you troubleshoot any problems you might encounter when downloading mods. Lastly, you no longer have to worry about switching modes or methods, as was the case in previous versions. This is all handled automatically now.